Ndi ba non. Hello guys, my name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're all welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me, for watching my videos each time I make new uploads. And to all the newcomers here, if today is your first time here, I welcome you. Thank you for stopping by, and I promise you a truckload of fun and a very interesting content, okay? Don't go anywhere. Have fun with us. But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that you get every upload I make. Enjoy yourself. Let's start. Umu Aruru iche, okay? We are going to look at the common insects in Igbo language. Don't go anywhere. Let's enjoy it. Yes. The first on our list today is a housefly. A housefly. Ijiji. Ijiji. A housefly. Then we have mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Anwu. Anwu or anwunta. We have mosquitoes. Anwunta. Anwunta. Anwu. Okay? Good. The third one we have cockroach. A cockroach. We call it ochicha. 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 Okay? The next one we have bees. Bees. It's still anwu, okay? Anwu. Anwu na agba agba. But this time it's different from the mosquitoes, okay? We have anwunta and we have anwu na agba agba. That one is for the bees. Anwunta is for the mosquitoes, okay? So we have bees. Anwu. Anwu. Anwu na agba agba. Okay? Good. Now we have ants. Ants. Abushi. Abushi. Or aruru. Abushi or aruru. Okay? The next one we also have termites. Termites. The termites are called Akika. Akika for termites, okay? We have the beetles. We have the beetles. We call it Ebe. 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 Okay? Ebe. Ebe. The beetles. We also have the bed bugs. You know the bugs. The bug. Bed bugs. Chinchi. Chinchi. For the bed bugs, okay? Chinchi. Chinchi. Okay? We also have the grasshopper. The grasshopper. We call that Ukpana. Ukpana. For the grasshopper. Ukpana. Okay? Good. The next one we also have the cricket. The cricket. Abuzu. Abuzu. For the cricket. Abuzu for the cricket. Okay? We have the Millipede Esu. Esu. Esu for the millipede. We also have a spider. A spider. Ududo. Ududo. Ududo for the spider. Okay? We also have maggots. The maggots. That is ikpulu. Ikpulu for the maggots. Ikpulu, okay? We have ikpulu for the maggots. The last but not the least is the locust. The locust. We call it igulube. Igulube. The locust. Igulube. Okay? We have come to the end of today's video. See you in my next video. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Watch out for the part 2 of this video, where I'm going to give you the translated names of different fruits in Igbo language. Bye!